Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. I am always on the hunt for new and beautiful, unique things for decorating my home. So when I saw this moon-shaped planter from AERLO, I knew I had to have it. It is so gorgeous and was so easy to hang up and was exactly what I was looking for with my new decorating project. I really appreciated how it came with its own template for hanging on the wall. It was so easy. You just put it on the wall where you want to hang it and it shows you exactly where the screws need to go. So it was so easy to install and I think it is absolutely beautiful. I love the brushed gold copper color of it, and I love how it was really lightweight and I can add whatever I want inside of this planter. Right now I have these greens in it, but I can change up what is in it as the seasons go, and I can't wait to add twinkle lights to it. It's going to look so good. If you're looking for a really high quality piece of art to go on your wall, then you should definitely consider getting this moon planter from AERLO. I really love it. I think it is absolutely gorgeous and you're going to love it too. And that is my point of view.